In this video, let's learn about the options Strategy Picks, Strategy Algorithms, and Scanner Wizard. Strategy Picks are exclusive ModernAlgos actionable strategies filtered through various technical indicators or support resistance analysis with the help of later. Trend is established for indices or stocks. Then, hedge strategies are identified with predefined probability of success and risk-reward ratios. Simply look at them, analyze with the payoff chart options, Greek/profit ratio. Execute them through ModernAlgos' robust trading API system with your broker automatically. The Scanner Wizard scans the market at a go and displays it on a single page, showcasing market-neutral strategies like butterfly and condor, as well as direction strategies like bull or bear spreads throughout the day. Just click on the Analyze button to view the strategy profile and then on the Trade button to execute it in the market. You can also access Option Chain, designed with the nearest in the money and out of the money so that you don't need to hustle to find your strike prices. Select the multiple strike price, analyze, and click on Trade button to place your order. With strategy algorithms in place, ModernAlgos' options rule engine scans various strategies encompassing directional, market neutral, and momentum bases. Define your target range or market direction for the index/script and click the Submit button. The system runs a scan for your given inputs and displays all the available strategies. Analyze with our Strategy Analyzer and click Trade to place your order to the broker.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.